Now, if you're short on rent, behind on bills, or need some fast cash, this might be the simplest side hustle you can start today.
This side hustle can help you pay rent, pay bills, and help you breathe financially.
We're going to break down how junk removal works as a side hustle and how you can get customers quickly.
This video is for anybody that wants to make money right now, not 6 months from now.
We're going to show you real numbers and real jobs and simple ways to start without quitting your job and risking everything.
If you're tired of hearing about side hustles that take forever to start, this one might surprise you.
Now, it all started with a truck and a dream.
And now we make thousands from other people's junk.
And wait until you see what we found this week.
We own a junk removal company.
And people pay us to haul their junk away.
And the secret is, it's not always junk.
And just this week, we walked away with over $5,000 worth of hidden gems.
This business is like a treasure hunt every day. So if you want to see more, make sure you hit like and subscribe.
Now, if you're sitting on the couch, broke as hell, and you're watching this video, or maybe you're on your lunch break at work at that job you hate and you're stuck in the rat race, trust me, I've been there before. 8 years ago, before I started a business, I used to live in these apartments over here. Right by that blue tarp right there was my old place. And I started a side hustle with a beat up pickup truck I used to park right there. And back then, I was broke as hell. I wasn't living paycheck to paycheck. I was living paycheck to borrowing money to paycheck.
This isn't a get-rich-quick video. This is for people who already work, already try, and just need some extra cash right now. So we're going to show you ways to get lots of junk removal jobs absolutely free.
Now I'm going to show you how to make $249 in 10 minutes. Now let's check the job out. Now, if you can see, this job came from someone that was having a yard sale, and there's a little baby crib right here, a mirror, some golf clubs, and a little bit of trash. Now, that one small job just paid more than most people make in a full workday. Now, I'm gonna show you how to find these type of jobs, and all you need is a cell phone or a laptop.
So what you want to do is go on Craigslist under the community section. In the search bar, type in yard sale. Then all the yard sales in your area will pop up. You want to click on that, hit reply, and send them an email letting them know that whatever doesn't sell, you are available to haul away. Make sure you add your contact. Now, this is a numbers game, and the more you put out there, the more you're going to get.
Now, if you want to land bigger ticket jobs, what you need to do is network with movers. What happens when people move? There's trash left behind. So whenever you see movers in your city, what you want to do is talk to them, introduce yourself, and let them know what you do, that you haul trash.
It's almost springtime, and that's when lots of people decide to move. So network with movers and realtors, and that will get you some jobs.
Now check out this moving job we did. It only took a couple hours and we got paid over $1,500.
So this moving job right here, we charged $1,500 and some change. And there's more stuff on the inside. And as you can see, there's lots of metal here, and we were able to scrap that and make even more money.
And you won't believe it, on that moving job we just did, we also got paid a $200 tip on top of the cash we made.
So why does junk removal work so well to make fast cash? You are finding people that are in a bind and need stuff gone right away. You are solving a problem that they are willing to pay for. Another thing about moving jobs is you will often come across really good stuff that you could resell. That way you make extra money. With junk removal, you can make money on top of money.
Now check out this junk find. I got paid to take this because the person was moving and they couldn't take it with them. It's a Honda trail bike and I can sell it for this much money.
We also came across this. I can put online for 50 bucks. So if any of this sounds like something you want to try to do, make sure you hit like and subscribe. So coming up next is a creative way for you to get junk jobs absolutely free.
Now here's a way you can get free jobs on Facebook. What you want to do is go to Marketplace right here, tap that, and go up to the search area and type in free and make sure it's in your area, and a bunch of things will pop up. If you can see, all these things are for free. And you can start messaging these people and let them know, hey, if you don't get rid of this couch for free, I just want to let you know I own a junk removal business and we can swing by and pick it up for a small fee. If you can see, there's a list of things for free. And this is a good way to get junk jobs.
So here, there's 2 people moving the couch, but you could totally do this by yourself. We're showing you fast cash, real jobs, and no hype. This worked for us, and it can work for you too.
Now, if you want to land more junk jobs, you got to get your grind on. This is going to separate the men and the boys. What you want to do is drive around commercial buildings and look behind the buildings and see if there's any trash behind the buildings. And if you can see right here, we have some junk right here. Ta-da! And what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk in here, introduce myself, pass them some business cards, and let them know I can take care of this for them. And this is how you'll land commercial jobs.
So this isn't just about junk removal, it's about people who need a service done fast because they're overwhelmed and stressed. And that is why this side hustle works, even in tough times.
Now, this business is recession proof. There's so many times when people have to pay for junk removal, when people are getting evicted, when people are moving, when people get illegally dumped in front of their businesses, they gotta pay for junk haulers to come and haul it away. Just like this job right here, this business keeps getting illegally dumped on, so they call us once a month and we swing by and get paid.
It's not just businesses. You can try apartment complexes too, because people often illegally dump by their dumpsters. So that's another place you can walk in, introduce yourself, and hand them a business card.
Now, the fastest way to get junk jobs is you gotta utilize social media. You wanna post on Facebook, in Facebook groups, on Facebook Marketplace, and also use Craigslist. Now, if you really wanna make ends meet and pay your bills and get ahead in life and get out the rat race, you gotta stay consistent at anything you do. So when it comes to the trash business, you wanna be marketing every day, shaking hands every day, rocking your gear every day, and getting your business out there every single day. It's a full-time hustle and grind, but it is totally worth it.
So what can you use to tackle junk removal jobs so you can make more money? If you have a truck, that's great. Use that. If you don't have a truck, you can rent a U-Haul or get a small utility trailer. Sometimes you have to be creative and think outside the box.
Now, we started this side hustle with a $5,000 pickup truck I bought off Craigslist, and it took me a year to save that kind of money. I was eating top ramen, oatmeal, not going to Starbucks, just sacrificing for a whole year. But that pickup truck, it changed my life. So if you're out there struggling, trying to figure out what you want to do with your life, start a business. It doesn't need to be a trash business. It could be a handyman business, a painting business, a landscaping business. Just get out there and work for yourself and invest in yourself.
If you do junk jobs and you're surprised by how much money you're making, you may want to take the side hustle and make it your permanent full-time gig. So if you're interested in that, check out this video right here because we walk you step by step on how to start a junk removal business.
Now, if you've already been in the trash business for a while and you want to step your game up and start running Facebook ads, you got to get a hold of Blake Short with Top Dog Digital. Here he is right here.
I'm Blake from Top Dog Digital, and we've ran Facebook ads for junk removal business owners for the last 6 years. Google ads draining your budget? Facebook ads might be the exact platform you're looking for. Facebook highlights your brand above its competitors. The best part is you're also getting in job opportunities that are just a third of the cost of Google. We handle everything from the ad campaign, ad copy, even scripting and editing video content for your ads. Whether you need help with a current campaign or need one built for you, schedule a call and we're happy to help.